So in this video I will show you how you can mount an old M39 Leitz lens to a modern medium digital camera, like here in the video the Fuji 50R. And basically you need two adapters, and I will show you right in a second. So the first adapter is Leica to Fuji adapter, like this here from Novoflex. And the second adapter is an M39 to Leica adapter, because the old Leitz lenses had the screw mount. So then you just put it together. This is the 35mm 3.5 Summron from Leitz, and you just screw it in like this. So now it's really tight, and then red dot on the red dot, like this, and just put it back onto the Fuji camera. And that's it. Now you can use the focus, and everything is looking pretty vintage now on your photos.